To get started creating a site plan, we will import our building footprints by selecting the Site tool. In the sub-toolbar, you have the Building Footprints option, which gives us the option for automatically importing building footprints from your floor plans. This works by using the interior zone from your floor plan to create the outlines for your building and place them on the site plan. Inside the Site tool, you also have the Scenery tool. This is used for manually drawing in site plan elements such as roads and footpaths. You can use these tools to completely draw your site plans from scratch. However, they are usually used to add in additional detail to a site plan or to add in newer elements like car parks that may not yet appear on the satellite imagery. Selecting the Building Footprints tool will present you with a few options to get started. In the tool settings, you'll have the option to import building footprints. Using this option will open up a menu that allows you to select which building you would like to import, and then which floor plans in that building you would like to include. Select your floors and then click on Add Footprint. This will add a blue building to your site plan. If this is in the incorrect location, you can then go back to your floor plan, select the entire floor plan including the interior zone and any equipment, and then move it into position over the top of the site plan underlay. When you return to the site plan, you can then click on the Refresh Footprints button, which will update all the building footprints with the latest positioning. If you need to make any changes to your building outline, you can select it and edit the shape manually using the manipulator arrow to edit the area nodes just as you would for a zone. You can also manually add in additional building footprints for any other buildings on your site plan by drawing a rectangle with the Add Footprints tool and then editing the shape of the area nodes. When you select any building footprint in the site plan, you'll be able to see the different types of footprints in the tool setting. Each floor plan will have a floor footprint. This represents the entire floor level in a building that your floor plan sits in. You will also have a plan footprint, which represents the whole area of your floor plan you have drafted in Plan Studio. For most buildings, these will be the same shape, but for some jobs such as a store inside of a shopping center, the plan footprint may only represent a small part of the overall floor for the building. You then also have a building footprint, which is a combination of all the floor and plan footprints from every level combined to form the overall outline for a building. With our buildings added in, we can now draft in any additional site plan elements such as footpaths or roads that we require with the Scenery tool, and then start drawing in the nav mesh for our site plan's evacuation paths.